your bitch ass for this too. Y'all might want to call the police. Because if you're your fucking eyeballs is blind.
Call the police.
Blind.
He keeps hurting me.
Hey! Now you bring out
Stuff alone,
I'm not playing with you. You hit me in the mouth with this motherfucking thing because you want to be claiming shit?
You were defending him.
I'm a killer. I don't
Hit
give
me
a
with
fuck about none of
the
that.
clippers.
You were defending him too.
Leave my
Fuck you.
stuff alone.
I'm a motherfucking female.
Leave my stuff alone.
Fuck you.
Why are you taking my
Shut the
property?
fuck up. Blind each and every fucking way of yours.
Call the police, man.
I'm not playing with you.
You should get my stuff back.
Fuck you. Think I'm playing?
Can somebody call the police?
Yeah, call
I'm
them.
trying to kill them.
You might want to call them because my fucking liquor's clean and